Hey everybody, how are you? It is David Ford here, mortgage advisor and director at the IWantToOwn Mortgage Company in Vancouver. I'm here today to talk to you about a few super simple ways to pay your mortgage off faster. First tip, accelerated payments bi-weekly versus monthly payments. Monthly, of course, you've got 12 equal payments a year versus the accelerated bi-weekly, you've got 26 payments. Those 26 payments, 2 of them actually go directly towards the principal. They're not charged any interest on them, so you can really put the hammer down in paying the mortgage off faster. I'll give you a super simple example. A $400,000 mortgage, 3% interest rate and 30-year amortization. If you were to pay accelerated bi-weekly versus monthly payments, you're going to save $27,825. So it's significant. If you're paid bi-weekly, kind of a no-brainer, just match up your pay schedule. And if you're not paid bi-weekly, it's just a good idea to pay the mortgage off faster. The second tip we'll talk about today is a rounded up mortgage payment. Every single dollar counts when it comes to paying your mortgage off faster, and rounding up your mortgage payment is a super simple way to continue to chip away at the principal balance of the mortgage. Let's say your mortgage is $729 a month. If you were to increase it to $800, say, just round it up, that extra $61 goes directly towards principal. Now I'll use a really simple example again. Let's say the same $400,000 principal balance, the same 3% interest rate. If you were to increase the payment by $100 per month, over the course of the mortgage, that's $14,325. So maybe you miss $100, maybe you don't, but you sure notice 15 grand over the course of paying your mortgage down. I know I would. If you want, you can give me that 15 grand. I don't know. Tip number 3, we'll talk about lump sum payments on the anniversary or otherwise. I know every lender that we're going to put you with here at our brokerage will allow for accelerated payments and also a lump sum to a certain degree. That lump sum payment, again, goes right towards the principal balance, and so you can make that sometimes even mid-year. You don't even necessarily have to make it on the anniversary, but it resets every anniversary. So you've got a 5-year term, you could put a lump sum every single year of those 5 years. Let's talk again, just super quick, same example, $400,000 mortgage balance, 3% interest rate. If you were to put $500 extra per year in combination with an accelerated bi-weekly payment, you're going to pay off your mortgage 4 years faster, which is huge. When it comes to paying down the mortgage, paying it off entirely, that day cannot come soon enough. For tip number 4, let's talk about putting your raise to work. Now, raise could be anything. Let's say you get an extra $1 per hour. Let's say your salary is increased. Maybe it's a bonus. Maybe you've decided to take up professional poker and you want to put your extra winnings towards the mortgage. It doesn't matter. If you've been used to a certain lifestyle and you get a raise, let's put that extra money, or even just a small portion of it, towards the principal balance of the mortgage. You're going to put the hammer down towards the principal and you will be paid off that much faster putting your raise to work. Okay, last one, tip number 5, again, another super simple concept, putting your tax return money to work. Most of us, when we file our taxes, will get a certain amount back. Maybe it's a couple hundred, maybe it's a couple thousand. Taking any amount, again, that $500 lump sum amount, for example, will dramatically reduce the principal balance of your mortgage. So putting your tax return to work will save you time, mortgage payments, interest, principal, all of it, and every little bit helps. That's all the tips we have today. I hope that you found it useful, informative, and if you have any questions or concerns, please email us directly, info@IWantToOwn.ca. If you're an existing client and you want to make a lump sum payment or set something up in the future, give me a shout direct. We'd be happy to help out, do that for you. And I hope that everybody watching here pays down their mortgage as fast as possible, gets it completely free and clear, and then you just take a bunch of vacations.